I'm Marion, and I voice act Luna for the Magic Cat series. Luna's personality is very funny, excited, adventurous, and, of course, energetic. Luna is on the shorter side, but she originates as a kitty pet, which, if you guys don't know, kitty pets are actually domesticated cats or house pets, which is, if you read the Warrior Cats series, you would know, but if you don't, there's a little bit of information. Anyways, so Luna's power is speed, and she specializes in running very fast and controlling lightning, which is very, very hard. Now, if you have any questions, I will be glad to answer them. And just feel free, honestly. Ask whatever you want, say whatever you want. I don't really mind. Anyways, I hope you have a great day. Thanks! My name's Marion, and I am the voice actor of Luna. So, today, what was I gonna say again? Oh, so I said, oh, look, a spider. Oh, sorry, wait, let me start again. Hi there, my name's Luna. Well, not really. I play Luna. My name is Marion. Oh my god, bro, I already screwed up.